So I was sent this electric rechargeable can opener from the brand. So real quick, I didn't want to lose the cable, so I left it attached, but it's a USB. So this end is USB-A. Just need to charge it in, put it into like one of your brick chargers or your extension cord if you have one that has a USB, or if you have an outlet that has USB in it. A lot of these outlets now have that. The other end that goes in here is just your standard USB-C. So if you lose this, no worries. It's not a proprietary charger of any kind. So you can just use any USB-C charger that you have. One end is a bottle opener, so easy peasy. The handle you just click on. I already clicked that on. So we're just going to open a simple jelly jar here, show you how easy this works. It is super duper simple. So I am just going to, it's already at the widest setting, so you just sit it on top here. Let's bring you in a little closer. And I'm just going to hit this button on the top. It's going to tighten. Okay, so now it's tightened. I just twist. Oh, wait till it shuts off, sorry. Then I twist. And the lid comes off. Super simple. So this will go down all the way to bottle sizes. So like if you have like a salad dressing or syrups or something like that. Or as you can see, it does a wide mouth jar. About this size is probably about the biggest you're going to get. Then to get this out, you just hit this here. And it lets go. So super easy. Nice if you have mobility issues, arthritis, any type of, just grippy problems with your hands, or maybe if you have smaller hands and it's harder to open wider jars like this. But yeah, this was a really nice gift from the brand. And my mom will probably use it more than me because she definitely has trouble opening jars, and she usually comes and tracks down my husband or I to open it. Again, USB-C charger. And again, bottle opener on the back end. I don't have a bottle opener I would show you, but standard bottle opener. So I hope if you're looking for an electric jar opener that this has helped with your decision.